Wow, it smells so good.
Hello everyone, welcome to Patricia's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a delicious tuna mango salad with fresh homemade salad dressing.
Okay, now let's start with the 2 romaine lettuce hearts. Just cut it just like this. Put it in the bowl and then rinse it well. And then we can slice some cucumber. Perfect. Slice half of the red onion. See, perfect.
I'll just need 1 tomato for today. Cut it in half, and then we can try using the slicer first. Oh, it's much easier using the knife instead of the slicer. Now, let's cut 2 mangoes.
Okay, to take the cores out. Okay, just cut it. This way is the easiest way to get the mango out. Okay, also we'll cut some strawberry. If you like avocado, you can also put some avocado. Okay, make sure to cut the end off. And then just slice it.
Now everything is ready. Let's open a can of tuna.
All right. You can also use chicken breast if you like. Now we're going to use the well-drained romaine lettuce as the salad base.
Now we can put everything on top of the romaine lettuce.
If I have some avocado, that would be great. Next time.
Now let's put the tuna right in the middle.
That's a lot.
Now I'm going to make our own homemade salad dressing. First, add 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of some sea salt, and some black pepper.
Cover it tightly and shake. Shake until well mixed. Okay, the salad dressing is ready. Okay, now we can start serving. Whoa, so fresh and so delicious. Woohoo! Now we can just mix everything and start enjoying it. Wow, it smells so good. It looks so delicious. I cannot wait. Look at the color. Everything's so fresh. It's time to taste it. Let's get a bit of everything here in one plate. Wow, can't wait to try everything. Wow. Wow, it tastes so good. I'm going to finish everything.
Alright, thanks for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.